Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Competitive Chemistry. Today we will discuss few questions that have been asked in NEET 2024. So let's begin. The first question is, failing solution A is, we have four options. So the correct answer is option 3, that is failing solution A is aqueous copper sulfate. So next question is match list 1 with list 2, that is the number of Faraday required for the conversion. The correct answer is option 3. 1 Faraday is the charge carried by 1 mole of electrons. So for the conversions, first one, 1 mole of water to oxygen, 2 electrons are involved. So 2 Faraday. For second one, 5 electrons are involved. So 5 Faraday. For the third, for 1 mole of calcium chloride to calcium 2 plus, 2 electrons are involved. So for 1.5 mole, it will be 3 electrons and therefore 3 Faraday. And for the last one, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus 1 electron is involved. So it is 1 Faraday. So the next question is, 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. The mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to, the correct answer is option 4. Here, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole of HCl to give 1 mole of sodium chloride and 1 mole of water. The mass of sodium hydroxide taken is 1 gram. So, the number of moles will be 25 millimoles. And the number of moles of HCl will be 18.75 millimoles. Since 1 mole of sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole of HCl, therefore the amount of unreacted sodium hydroxide will be 6.25 millimoles. So in terms of mass, it will be 250 milligram. So the next question is, which reaction is not a redox reaction? The correct answer is option 2. Redox reaction means change in oxidation state of elements. For the first reaction, there is a change in oxidation state of both hydrogen as well as chlorine. For the third, oxidation state changes for zinc and copper. For the fourth one, it changes for chlorine as well as iodine. But for the second reaction, there is no change in oxidation state of the elements, neither for barium, nor chlorine, nor sodium, nor sulfate. So this is not a redox reaction. The next question is match list 1 with list 2, that is shape or geometry of the compound. The correct answer is option 3. Here ammonia is trigonal pyramidal, bromine pentafluoride is square pyramidal, xenon tetrafluoride is square planar, and sulfur hexafluoride is octahedral. So the next question is, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in, we have 4 molecules. The correct answer is option 3, orthonitrophenol. Here the nitro group and the OH group are in close proximity, so they will form intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which is not possible in molecule A, which is metanitrophenol, and molecule 4, which is paranitrophenol. and in second it is HF, no such groups are there, so intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not present. So the next question is, the E0 value for the manganese 3 plus manganese 2 plus couple is more positive than that of chromium 3 plus chromium 2 plus or iron 3 plus iron 2 plus due to change of. The correct answer is option 3. Manganese 2 plus is D5 and manganese 3 plus has D4 configuration. D5 is more stable than D4. Thus, the third ionization energy of manganese is much higher as D5 to D4 transition is involved. That is from a stable configuration to a less stable configuration. While for chromium, it is D4 to D3 transition. While for iron, it is D6 to D5 transition. So the next question is match list 1 with list 2. That is the conditions for the process. The correct answer is option 2. That is isothermal process is carried out at constant temperature. Isochoric process is carried out at constant volume. Isobaric process is carried out at constant pressure. While in adiabatic process, no heat exchange occurs. So the next question is, activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated if one knows the value of. The correct answer is option 2. We can calculate activation energy by knowing the rate constant at two different temperatures using the following formula, where K1 and K2 are the rate constants, T1 and T2 are temperatures, EA is the activation energy and R is constant. So the next question is, a compound with a molecular formula of C6H14 has two tertiary carbons. Its IUPAC name is. The correct answer is option 1. That is 2,3-dimethyl butane. Here carbon 2 and carbon 3 are tertiary carbons. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.